Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the single crochet alpine stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the front post single crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an odd number of chains. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. So I did want to start by saying for this stitch, you are going to want to make loose stitches and chains. You can see that my chains here are pretty loose, so you're going to loosen up your tension when you make your chains or your stitches. This stitch is pretty tight, and if you make it too tight, the edges of it are going to roll in. So loosening it up is going to make it stay and lay flat. So to start row 1, you're going to make 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. And I'm using loose tension. I'm not choked up on my stitch or anything to make that single crochet. You're then going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. Remember, we are making loose stitches. So that's going to be 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 2. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. Now this is going to be our first alpine stitch row. So what we're going to do is we're going to make front post single crochet stitches on the stitch 2 rows down, then make a single crochet and start alternating between those. So for the front post single crochets, you're going to insert your hook around the next stitch 2 rows down, so it's going to be this one right here, and just make a front post single crochet like you normally would around that stitch. Then in the next stitch, make a single crochet. Make a front post single crochet into the stitch 2 rows down next. Remember, when you're making these, keep your tension loose. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next stitch 2 rows down, you're going to make a front post single crochet around that stitch. And then into the next stitch, make a single crochet. So this is how things are looking. You're now going to alternate between making that front post single crochet over the next stitch 2 rows down, then a single crochet into the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. Once you reach the end of this row and you only have one stitch left, work one single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make one chain. For row 4, we're simply going to make one single crochet into each stitch across. Remember to keep your tension loose. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, make one chain. Row 5 is going to be very similar to row 3. This is going to be our second alpine row. We're just going to be staggering our new alpine stitches between the ones that we made in row 3. So into each of the first 2 stitches, make one single crochet. Now over the next stitch 2 rows down, make a front post single crochet, and that's going to be the stitch between these previous 2 alpine stitches. Now we're going to start our sequence, make one single crochet into the next stitch, make one single crochet make one front post single crochet over the next stitch 2 rows down. Make one single crochet into the next stitch, make one front post single crochet into the stitch 2 rows down, make one single crochet into the next stitch, make one front post single crochet into the stitch 2 rows down, make one single crochet, make one front post single crochet over the stitch 2 rows down. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches left. Make one single crochet into the next stitch. Make one front post single crochet into the stitch 2 rows down. Then into the last stitch of your row, make one single crochet. And that's how row 5 is looking. You would now repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the single crochet alpine stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.